So we are going to attempt to make pine nuts. Well, not make pine nuts obviously, but harvest pine nuts. We've had these pine trees on our property, well, since we've been here, the last 12 years, however long it's been. We've only just now thought to actually look at harvesting pine nuts. Now, it's end of May, start of June, apparently that's when you need to look at it. You need to get the pine cones that are closed up, because if you see this one, it's just starting to split open. Once they split open, that's when the nuts fall out. My father-in-law, Ivan, he reckons he used to gather them as a kid from radiata pines, which is what these are. So, you know, he had lots of stories about going and gathering pine cones and getting the pine nuts out of them and having a bit of a feast once they'd all dried out and stuff. So, yeah, we've got some empty chook food sacks. We're getting the kids to load them up with pine cones. So this will be an interesting experiment. We'll see how we go. Okay, so one of the mini pine cones that we brought in, we actually put this on a pot on top of the fireplace, and it was quite neat to see it sort of open out. This was completely closed this morning, and just throughout the course of the day it's just opened right out. You can see like little flaky bits in between the things. That's where all the seeds hide. So I'm gonna try giving this a shake out.
You're getting some.
Oh.
You need to give it a knock.
Let's give this a bit of a...
Oh, here they come. Can I?
Yeah, you have a go. Yes, Olivia's already peeled a few and eaten them.
Nice.
But I guess this is why they're so expensive, not because there's a great shortage, but because they're so hard to get at. Look at all those.
Maybe we shouldn't.
Well, actually, the pine nuts that they sell are like 10 times bigger than that.
See, these little flakies come out. That black bit there is where the pine nut is. It's inside that black bit.
But
So it's a case of trying to get it out then. We can take that off easy enough. Left with that little black bit.
I
Yeah.
can get it off easy. I have little nails, I can get it without breaking it.
See, look at that. You got a pine nut. Wow. I mean, that's not bad. That's not a bad flavour to it. Just that it's such a tiny amount, you know. But because they're so little, we're actually wondering if our trees haven't had quite as much water as they should have done. Maybe the pine cones were meant to get a bit bigger. I don't know, but that's a reasonable sized pine cone. But we have had quite a drought this year, well, for the past couple of years really. But so what we're going to do is we're going to go for a pine cone hunt tomorrow down by the local river and see if we can get some nice big pine cones that are closed up off the trees there, and see if the pine nuts are any bigger, because of course they won't be short of water. So yeah, keep you posted. Okay, So, we went for a walk down to the forest. We got some more pine cones. This one was completely closed this morning when we came back, about lunchtime-ish. So again, we put it on a pot on top of the fireplace, and it opened up quite nicely. Quite kind of neat how it does that. And you can see there's lots of things. So it'll be interesting to see if the cones that have had more water actually produce. No, they don't produce bigger pine nuts.
Oh, actually, no, they do. They're bigger than our ones.
You reckon?
Oh yeah, definitely.
I don't know. Have a quick look if you want them there.
Oh yeah, they're bigger.
You reckon? There we go. We'll see if I can. There we go. We've got another one. So yeah, little mini pine nut. So there we go. It takes quite a bit of doing to scrape all that black stuff off around the outside. I'm not sure if there is a better technique than that. I now know why pine nuts are so expensive, because we ain't doing this to every single one of these. But there we go. Leave us a comment, impart your wisdom upon us if you know more than we do about this. But there we go. That's how you get pine nuts. Till next time, bye. I'm gonna say bye.
Bye.